Welcome everyone, or welcome back if you've seen other videos from this series. This is Natacha, and we are going to tune into the third chakra today, which is your solar plexus. Solar, your golden light, golden inner light, your willpower center, and a place that gets quite clogged up sometimes with emotions, and yeah, just needs regular clearing, actually, like all the chakras, but it's one that we tend to feel a lot. So welcome to this little journey, this burst of energy and sound that will hopefully help you tune in. Again, I'll be playing the Shruti box and the drum. Feel free to close your eyes, tuning in to your center. Does it feel locked, blocked, open, energized, tight, vibrant, alive? Fire by Nemaya, fire by Zai. Grrr, grrr, grrr. Untangle the threads. Ooh, yamai kipati ma wo ulikoi tamanapati kamanayeka. Ekido